Okay, we're doing a HID conversion kit for a Yamaha Grizzly. So this is a 2007, it's a 700 fuel injected Grizzly. So far I've just kind of got the one side in just to see what the difference would be. On the left hand side is the stock light bulb. On the right hand side is the HID light bulb. So clearly a whole lot brighter. Low beam. This is the high beam. On the left again is the stock. On the right side is the HID conversion high beam. And there's the HID and the regular bulb. HID, regular bulb. Heat wise, and this is not very scientific. Temperature wise, getting about 120, 130. Definitely a few degrees hotter. To get to the bulbs, what you do is you take this outer rubber off, pop that out, put that aside, then you got the other side, an inner rubber gasket, and you pop that out. And then there is your bulb. Again, this is the OP7 conversion kit. That's what you get in it. You get your bulbs, your little connectors, and then your ballast. Alright, to make it easy, I went ahead and removed basically the front end on the four-wheeler. You're going to pop out the old bulb, and basically it's just that screw right there. You start backing it out. Make sure you have your hand up there because spring tension will pop off. So you grab that, you put the new one in, okay, put that screw back in. And then what I did on the other side is just going to cut a small hole in the back of your rubber grommet there and feed this part through, okay, and everything else is going to plug up inside. So you're going to have your wires coming out to the ballast, and then for the ballast I just mounted them right there, you can see, and then all of this will tuck up inside here and be out of the way and put everything back together. So as you can see, that's what you start with, and that's what you'll end with. And then of course you'll put your rubber cap back on. So there we go. Alright, so that's the whole cutting the dust cap. And then you're going to feed these two wires through your dust cap, pull it through to that part, just come protruding out the back. Alright, so that's what it will look like when you pull it through. And then you're going to take these wires, just kind of roll them around the headlight there, and put your gasket over the top. Alright, so there, everything's back together except for the front end. And this is what happens. That's what happens when you hit a tree about 15 miles an hour. So I've actually got a new front bumper on order. I'll go ahead and replace that while we got everything apart. But there's the lights back in. You got the caps back in place. Alright, so turn that on, and there's your lights. Whole lot brighter. Of course, those are high beams, which are not the HIDs, but are still significantly brighter than the stock. Of course, there is that. Much wider light and a much brighter light. Of course, like I said, these are the stock high beams. Probably never have to put the high beams on because the HIDs are so much brighter. So that's it. That is installing the Op 7 HID conversion kit.